Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying the DualSense and your PC. Plug in via USB-C or open Windows Bluetooth and pair wireless controller. This establishes a stable HID. Once paired, launch Steam and enter Big Picture mode. Make sure Steam input is set to forced on so Steam can map inputs for Assetto Corsa. If using USB, skip pairing but confirm Windows recognizes the device. Now you have device-level connectivity. Next, we shape how Assetto Corsa interprets the controller. Once Steam recognizes the DualSense, open Assetto Corsa's controller configuration. You want to pick a starting template. Use PlayStation layout for familiar button labels or gamepad for standard axes. Start from one of these to avoid blank inputs. Next, map steering to left stick and throttle/brake to triggers. Set dead zones to 0, 0 to 0. 0.5 and tweak sensitivity so small stick movements give predictable steering. Also map paddles or buttons for gear up/down and assign handbrake. After mapping, save a profile for quick reuse. You finish by testing in Assetto Corsa's practice mode and tuning force feedback, steering gamma, and filter values. These translate wheel feel into the DualSense sticks. If you see lag or dropped inputs, try a high-quality USB-C cable, disable Windows power saving for Bluetooth, or remove other controller drivers that conflict. Once satisfied, save your Steam controller profile and export the config file. This ensures quick recovery. If a specific button still fails, reopen controller configuration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.